Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can apply visual effect on Google Meet. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a virtual meeting in Google Meet and I'm going to show you how we can apply visual effect to our video. If you want to apply visual effect, you can select this option guys, video setting, and you're going to click on the symbol, apply visual effect. Okay, and here you'll be able to apply backgrounds, filters, or appearance. And I'm just going to apply background. Wait, I'm going to turn on my camera. Okay, and then I'm going to apply virtual background. For example, this one. Okay, wait guys. Okay, now the background has been applied and I'm going to try to apply the filters as well. I'm going to apply this expressive bunny. Alright, and now the effect has been applied to my video and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to apply visual effect in Google Meet. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!